Check out my review of the Aaptiv fitness app. Links are below. Aaptiv's audio-based workouts offer accessible fitness anywhere, gym, outdoors, or at home. With over 2,500 on-demand classes, from running and strength training to yoga, cycling, and meditation, there's something for everyone. Unlike video-based apps, Aaptiv uses expert trainers and high-quality audio, freeing you from your screen. Focus on your form, especially beneficial for treadmill runs or outdoor training. Aaptiv's customized plans adapt to your goals, fitness level, and schedule, whether it's weight loss, strength building, or endurance. Plus, integrate your music playlists for extra motivation. Aaptiv is perfect for busy professionals, frequent travelers, or anyone who finds video workouts limiting. While beginners might miss visual demonstrations, Aaptiv's clear audio instructions are easy to follow. Try Aaptiv's 7-day free trial before committing to the competitively priced annual subscription. While it lacks live classes and video, its audio-first approach offers uniquely focused, screen-free workouts. Want a user-friendly, flexible, and diverse audio fitness app? Aaptiv's worth a look. Check the description for links and see if it fits your fitness goals.